Alright, so here's the interface. Try to work around a little bit for a few different spots to put it in. I have like a native monitor here, so I didn't really want to like cover it up. Honestly, sometimes it feels like it might be like too much going on, but in this position it obstructs the least amount of view. If you hang it over here, it ends up kind of blocking out this part, and that makes it a little bit difficult. You can attach it, like I put the attachment piece here, and you can get it flush with this, and that's not too bad too. But overall, I think we'll try out this position for the most part. I also tried it over here too. That could work too, but the only problem is that the dash cam doesn't work, or it's covered up. So basically it's like a normal Carplay, except when you hit this little button here, you get into the camera mode, and this is probably the best way to check it out, going this way. I actually still have the screen cover on it, so it's probably going to be a little bit clearer than this. Saves to it like records all the time and saves to a 64 gigabyte. When you get back to the home screen, it looks like this. You can add all your things and whatnot, and then typically just go straight to Carplay. And yeah, quality is pretty good, to be honest. It connects through cigarette lighter, so I just kind of ran the cable down through and through here. The surprising thing is it somehow, I don't know if it was this or not, drained my entire car battery over 3 days. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it to make sure that's not the case, but quite possibly could be. I've just got to turn it off there.